Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am thrilled to show you the simple step to access concept consolidated test on our Erudite portal. Log into our portal using your credentials. Once you log in, you'll land on the portal's dashboard. Next, navigate to Learn section, which you can find beside the Dashboard tab. Within the Learn section, locate the Online CAT 2024 course. Click on it to access its content. Scroll down within the course until you spot Concept Consolidated Test. Once inside the Concept Consolidated Test, you will find section divided into quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, reading comprehension, and verbal ability. Simply click on whichever topic you'd like to explore. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Start your CAT prep on Erudite Portal and join the league of 99+ percentile. Happy learning!